The best recovery tool for your feet costs $0 and weighs 0 grams. It's often just loosening the laces on the shoes you're already wearing. After 15 miles, getting out of stiff boots feels incredible. But is that brief relief worth carrying an extra pound of dead weight up a mountain for 8 hours? The default choice is the Crocs Classic Clog, $50. They are bomb-proof and protect your toes. However, they weigh 12 ounces, 340 g, and are bulky to pack. They are great for comfort, but terrible for hiking if your primary shoes fail. For utility, look at adventure sandals like the Xero Z-Trails EV, $80, or Bedrock Geo, $115. Unlike Crocs, these have secure heel straps. This makes them legitimate tools for rocky stream crossings or emergency backup hiking shoes. The Xero saves you weight, while the Bedrock offers superior Vibram grip and durability. If you just want dry socks at camp, skip the brands. Generic EVA foam slides from Amazon or Walmart cost $10, weigh under 6 ounces, and dry instantly. They are the value kings, provided you don't need to cross rivers in them. However, consider the don't bring them strategy. If you hike in breathable trail runners like the Ultra Lone Peak 8 or Hoka Speedgoat 6, you don't need camp shoes. Just loosen your laces and remove the insoles. Your feet will dry fine. For winter or shoulder seasons, rubber sandals are useless. Switch to down booties like the Enlightened Equipment Torrid, $75, or budget Nature Hike down socks, $20. The warmth-to-weight ratio here is actually functional survival gear, not just luxury. Final verdict. For frequent stream crossings, buy the Xero Z-Trails EV. For pure camp relaxing on a budget, get $10 generic slides. But if you want to crush miles efficiently, save the weight and just loosen your laces. Pack lighter, hike farther, and I'll see you on the trail.